Hey everybody, it's Detail Zay. Today I'm gonna kind of just show y'all the way that I do mobile detailing, the setup that I have. Not gonna be too in depth unless y'all ask. It is my first video, so bear with me. Let's get right into it. Alright, so right here I have basically all of my gas powered, which is right here and right here. Generator, power washer. I had to put them at the edge of the bed, that way the exhaust on both of them will flow right out whenever I have the tailgate drop down, which most of the time whenever I am working, tailgate is down, so it's not in the way of anything. But I have this Predator generator. It actually does really good for the price that it was. Real simple. Mounted it to the bed, doesn't move, doesn't slide. Give it a good tug. It's not gonna go nowhere. Same thing with this. This one was a little bit more difficult. I had to kind of make a mounting frame on it, and I kind of just bolted everything to the bed of my truck. I have another one right in there. Those two stay in here all the time. No worries about getting them stolen. I have my shop vac right at the very beginning, so I can pull that out, put that over there next to the side. I'll run an electrical cord. Typically I'll use this one. It's retractable. I think I got 50 foot, and then that one is 50 foot as well. I have the extractor in the back whenever I have stain removals that I need to do. Right here I have the bucket of basically everything that I use. I go windows, interior shine and polish, tire shine. I have this little funnel so I can fill up my chemical bottles, which I basically use for like bugs on the outside of a vehicle. It gets off really easy with it. And then right here I have a 65-gallon water tank. I can typically get about, say, 4 or 5 cars out of that every day. You know, as long as I fill it up continuously. I had to go and buy a shutoff valve at Lowe's. I think that ran me like $7. Then I took a water hose, connected it right there. I ran it all the way side of my bed straight into here. Power washer gun right next to the power washer. I have scrub brush and bucket. That's not really important. I have 100 feet of power washing hose. That way, if I have a car that's like, say, right here, I have another one right there, and I have to do that car, I can reach all 3 of those vehicles without having to move my vehicle. I have the water tank mounted with straps. I kind of just drilled holes into the bed frame on both sides, and then I wrapped it over the top, put it onto the back. This kind of had a lip behind it. Did that on both sides. It doesn't go anywhere, man. I had to make a bracket for the water tank to sit on so I could use gravity feed all the way down to the power washer. That is a 2x6 in the shape of a capital I, but I mean, the gravity feed on it works real well. I've had no issues with it. I mean, all the way down until I get about 5 gallons, it still pulls the water out. That's basically it for the outside of the vehicle. I'm gonna go ahead and take you onto the inside. Moving on to the inside of the vehicle, I have my extractor hose. I believe it's 8 foot. I have a bucket. These are all of my clean towels. I have another bucket as well for my dirty, but those are inside. I put this little pocket on the back of my seat for all of the detail brushes. I believe I have like 5 of them, all different sizes, so I can get into all types of small crevices and all that. I mean, if this video helped y'all at all, man, I'm definitely going to be trying to put out a lot more content. If it wasn't for videos on YouTube like this one, I would have never been able to start this. I had no idea what I was doing. I didn't even know if I would like it. But if y'all want more videos, or even how I do the inside of cars, like on job site, just let me know. There's going to be a lot more to come, and I hope that this kind of gave y'all some inspiration in a sense to set up your truck without having to go out and get a trailer and everything like that, because I started out with the trailer. I just hope that this setup gave you guys a really good idea of how to set everything up. If y'all have any questions, how I did anything, how I made everything fit, just let me know. Drop some comments. I respond to everybody. Thank you for watching the video.